All right, friends, we have some special things to unbox today. I'm super excited. WeGym just sent me some new resistance bands and yoga straps. Thank you so much, WeGym, for sending these my way. I actually just did a 7 home gym essentials video, and a lot of the stuff on there was WeGym. And the one thing that wasn't was resistance bands. And so I'm so excited to see these. Ooh. This is the first time I've ever seen them. I didn't even see a picture when they sent me the email about this. I have like a bunch of static in my hair today. It's that Colorado dry weather, I'm telling you. Ooh, okay. First things first, we have a low, medium, and high resistance band. And it looks like all 3 colors are their 3 main colors for their kettlebells and their dumbbells and all that stuff if you've seen other WeGym stuff. So this one, ooh, guys, it is so sleek. I love the like faux leather design right here. It says WeGym. And then this is so soft. Like, I'm telling you, the softest resistance band I think I've ever witnessed or owned. Sometimes the resistance bands come with little grippers on the inside. I don't see any on these, but honestly, I don't know. The material doesn't seem very slippery, so I'm not too concerned about that. I'm guessing this one is the light one, but I'm not for sure. Let's look at the other ones. Yes, so this one feels quite a bit tighter. This is the rose color. So it has the WeGym logo. And yeah, this one is definitely at least medium resistance. We'll see the other one. I love the color. Rose is one of my favorites. If you guys have seen my dumbbell set, I have the moonstone, or is it sandstone? Either way, sandstone, moonstone, same type of thing. The lighter color, like the ivory color. And then I also have the rose color in my heavier dumbbells, so that's nice. All right, and then the last one we have is in, I'm gonna look at the box because I'm forgetting my colors, of course. It just says sandstone, rose, and gray. So we have this one, and this one definitely feels way, like has way more resistance than even the rose one. So I'm gonna guess this one is the heavy, this one is the medium, and then this one is the light. Wow, that was a lot of energy. I have a lot of pent up energy today, okay? My little one is 16 months and he is a bundle of joy, but like his naps went from being at 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock all of a sudden, and today it was 2:30. Ah, guys, don't use your nails as tools. I'm so sorry. Simply Nailogical. I know you're not watching this, but I'm sorry. Okay, so let's, okay, we got it without having to break a nail. I have 3 yoga straps here actually, so I'm wondering if they gave me all 3 colors like the resistance bands or what. Okay, ooh, this one is so pretty. There's something about that ivory color that is just so nice. It's just like a nice chic, not beige, but like ivory color. These can go on your yoga mat to hold it together and just to, you know, make sure everything is secure. Or you can also use these for different yoga moves. So I'm excited about that because, you know, I think yoga blocks and yoga straps are very underrated pieces of equipment for your home gym. So I'm not 100% like a pro at these yoga straps, but I'm gonna try my best. Let's loop it in both of the little metal pieces. Wow. You can tell I'm very coordinated. Pull it through and then find, like if you were to want to like do say a forward fold or something like that and you're holding your toes. So I want to make my loop like big enough for both my feet to loop in at the bottom. So say we want the loop to start here. What I believe you do is go back in and loop it like that. Pull it through, and then you can lock it into place just like that. Again, I'm not a pro. This is just my personal way of doing it, but that's how I'm gonna try using them, and I'm gonna check with WeGym to see if there's any other fun loops that I'm not aware of, because yeah, I think that this is a really cute little tool that we can use a lot more of in our yoga practice. And then next one, I'm not gonna make this cute because I'm not ruining my nails over this. Usually I would have some sort of knife, but. And the next one, as expected, is the rose. Oh my gosh, guys, these colors, I just love them. Beautiful. Oh, this is probably my favorite one. It's so pretty, isn't it? I have so many different yoga mats, so 3 may seem like overkill, but it's certainly not for me. I promise I will put them to good use. Really, really pretty. Ooh, look at that detail. Look at that detail. And last but not least, we have, I'm almost certain, a gray color here. That's the WeGym standard colors, and they picked well. All right, we got our gray, our classic gray. If you're, not looking for anything too feminine, or if you're just looking for something that matches everything. I mean, honestly, I think all of these could match a lot of different things, especially the sandstone and this one. But then the rose is so beautiful that, that's my favorite personally. All right. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. If you're interested in these resistance bands right here, this yoga strap or any other of the WeGym items available, then check out my discount link for 10% off this and anything else on WeGym's website. They have tons of dumbbells, kettlebells, yoga mats, and amazing home gym equipment that you're gonna love. So check out the description below for more details on how to get your hands on this.